Happy Wednesday. Hope everyone's having a good week so far. We're going to start off this lesson with a do now. I'll let you get started. You can do the problem. You can pause it and then do the problem. And then play the video again so you can see the answer. I'm going to subtract 5.5 from both sides, leaving me with A equals, can do some borrowing, 13, 6. Bring the decimal straight down, and you should get A equals 11.8. You can check your answer to make sure you get the correct answer. You can plug in 11.8 for A. The next problem, I'm going to add 27 to both sides. I'm adding because the inverse operation of subtraction is addition. So this crosses out, leaving me with just F equals 46. F equals 46. I do have two review problems, noticing that students were commonly getting this incorrect on their work from last week. When it says to factor, I'm going to pull out the greatest number or letter that they share in common. 3 and 11, they don't have any greatest common factor but 1. But I notice they both have a C, so I can actually pull out a C from the expression. So C times the quantity of 3 plus 11. I know this is correct. I can check my answer by distributing. So 3C plus 11C. So I get my original expression. Next problem that we had difficulties with was our challenge problem. We noticed that right here looks something different. So we cannot add that to a normal x, and I will show you that at the end. So first I'm going to distribute the 3 to all the numbers in our expression. So 3 times x is 3x. 3 times 2, x is 6x. 3 times 3 is 9. I'm going to then bring everything else down. All right, I can add like terms, anything that has that they look alike. So these have x's. These are just numbers. And this one actually has an exponent. So you cannot add that to anything else. So I have 2x plus 3x is 5x. 5x plus 6x is 11x. I have 9 minus 5, which gives me 4. Then I'm going to bring down the x squared. This is as far as you can go. So this would be your final answer. Today, we are going to continue on with solving algebraically. We are now going to use it for the multiplication property of equality. So we're going to do division today. So when you multiply each side of an equation by the same number, the two sides remain equal. So remember, inverse properties always undo each other. For multiplication and division, they are their inverses. So we're going to do a little practice with reciprocal. That means two products where the product equals 1. So the reciprocal, we'll start over here, 3 over 4 would be 4 over 3. We're just flipping it over so that the bottom is now on the top and the top is now on the bottom. I know that they're reciprocals because if I then multiply across the top and then I multiply across the bottom, I get the same number and that equals 1. So when we find a reciprocal, our reciprocal always wants to equal 1. So this one right here, we have 2 over 4x.